Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete TikTok saved collections. So here I've already opened TikTok and I'm going to go to my profile and go to my saved videos, and I'm gonna go to collections, and here you can see this is my collections. And if you want to delete your saved collections, you can just click on the collections, and if you see here, you can see it where is the there is no delete or remove button in here. So what you need to do is click on the arrow at the top, and in here you'll find the delete collections option. So just click on that options, and here click on delete, and just like that your collection has been deleted. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. If you like the video, please click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.